latest updates that are coming in. The confirmation is here that President Putin has now touched down in Delhi. He's landed in the Palam airport. I'll bring in Amit quickly for that update. Amit, the confirmation that President Putin has touched down in Delhi. So anytime now he'll be disembarking, deboarding his aircraft to a personal welcome from Prime Minister Modi.
Absolutely right, Akshata. We did say that the craft is already in Delhi NCR airspace some time back, and it was all about a couple of minutes, and we could see that special squadron of the Russian fleet actually entering the NCR airspace and eventually landing on the Palam Technical Airport runway. So it's standing on the runway anytime from now. After the SOPs are done with, we will see the disembarkment process to begin, and after that we will see the first visual of Russian President Putin on the Indian soil in Delhi, in the national capital, and he will be received by none other than his friend Prime Minister Modi out here in Delhi. So those visuals will be also a repeat of sorts of visuals what we saw 3 months back during the SCO summit. So all of us are waiting for the first visuals to come out of President Putin to be out here on the Indian soil in Delhi, meeting Prime Minister Modi, and also showing the visual to the world of further strengthening ties between India and Russia. What is also to be marked is that the temperature has dipped in the national capital, so possibly favorable also climatic conditions for him as far as the temperature conditions are concerned. So PM Modi's carcade had already entered. We had seen those visuals of his cavalcade entering the Palam airport. He was waiting for there for nearly 10 to 15 minutes, almost for him to personally receive it. As Pranay was also mentioning, it's sort of a departure from the set protocols as well. PM Modi wants to put a very special moment out there for President Putin as well, and we can certainly say by tracking the special craft of the President Putin, the Russian craft that landed here at the Palam airport, the descent had started a couple of minutes back itself. It went through the runway and stopped on the runway, so which means that we will very soon be getting those visuals of disembarkment process as well, deboarding process as well, and then the visuals of President Putin on the Indian soil will be in front of us as well as Prime Minister Modi receiving him here in the national capital, Delhi. Back to you.
My colleague Amit Bhardwaj getting us the latest coming in from Palam. The latest is that President Putin has touched down